Portuguese Man of War. Jellyfish that washed up on the beach. Well, we are at Jeff Pirate's Cove today. We just had a wonderful lunch up at the restaurant. Now we're down here looking at the beautiful waters and the Portuguese Man of War jellyfish thingies. That's what those are. They've washed up here because their little balloons carry them with the wind. Now these little guys, they will sting you because they have tentacles and it hurts when you get stung. I have been stung before because I would walk along the beach and pop their little bubbles, and then one flicked up on my leg and I got stung. So I know how it feels. It's not something you want. These Portuguese Man of War come with those strong winds that we get in December, January, and February, and you do not want to get stung with them in the water. You can see it has a long tail, and it can really sting you. Here is a World War II pillbox here by the ocean, overlooking Tocha Bay here at Jeff Pirate's Cove. It's a nice one. It's kept nice and clean. You can go inside and pretty cool. During World War II, this is where they have lookouts to watch out for America coming back. But we didn't come back to this side of the island. Here's the other side. There's the little door. Pretty cool. Join me in this next video coming up at the end to see a smiling pufferfish, and punch me in the face if you want to subscribe to my channel and be alerted to more interesting videos.